Hello, you're watching Proactive. I'm joined by Klaus Eckhoff. He's the CEO of AJN Resources. Klaus, good to speak with you. You've announced some results from the recent drilling program at the Manono Northeast project in the DRC, and they look pretty positive. Tell us what you've uncovered.
Yeah, thank you for the opportunity. Yeah, we basically started drilling there 6 months ago, but had some issues from a logistic point of view, infrastructure, etc., permitting. But that all has been solved, and we kicked off the program a few months ago. We think we have the intercepted pegmatites, which we are looking for. They're quite thick and contiguous. We can see also that there is lithium minerals in those ones. So we think, that we are onto something there. The first results we will expect probably around 4 weeks, or 4 or 5, 6 weeks. And then we make a decision to exercise the option and continue drilling there and hopefully then go deeper into the fresh rock.
I mean, with that apparent occurrence of spodumene, do you drill deeper below the weathered zone just to get more confirmation?
Yeah, we will do that. Initially, we have drilled just the weathered zone, just to make sure that we're in the right setting and that we intercept the pegmatites, which we think we have now. So we're more comfortable than to drill 150, 200-meter holes. It's comparable to the Manono project, which is just situated not far away from us on strike. The top zones are usually 100 meters or 150 meters of weathering zones. And historically, those ones had been mined for lithium, so we can't really compare it anymore other than the tailings, but they look pretty similar.
So in this drilling has brought you to the end of your due diligence process or phase, as you mentioned. So the results will determine whether you commence with the project and take up the option.
Exactly. That will be the reason behind that. If you have 50 or 80-meter intercepts there and 1% plus lithium, then we certainly will look at that. And as I mentioned, I think the last discussion which we had, we're certainly looking around also for other metals and other projects in the whole of DRC. So there's other opportunities coming along too.
But you are encouraged by what you've uncovered so far.
Exactly, yeah. That's what we expected, and we got what we expected. We just have to drill deeper now as the next phase, subject to looking at the lab results, which we're expecting in 4 to 6 weeks.
Well, we'll look forward to chatting with you about them then. Klaus, thank you very much for the update today.
Yeah, thank you very much too. See you next time.
See you, Klaus Eckhoff, the CEO of AJN Resources.